A lot of people in my comments saying post a tutorial, see what I can do for y'all. Now for this one I got to do a little prep work, so we're going to grab our white pipe cleaner, and I've cut these down. I sandwiched that in there, okay? So I can't do this and hold the phone, so you'll have to use inference. So now that I've got all 8 of them ready, I'm ready to start doing my hair. You kind of got to part it, and that way you'll have enough to get started. Once you get one band in, you might have to add 1 or 2 more. The key is to have it tight down here and together up here, so you can. It does help to have long hair. I mean, my hair is long enough to get wigs myself down there. One thing I also say, it would help to have somebody helping you with this. It's kind of hard doing it by yourself. Now we're ready for the wigs. I'm gonna grab these little rubber bands here. I try to use the clear ones. You're gonna double up these rubber bands and then put them over the end right here. Then you slide your hair through the rubber band and band it all together. 2 rubber bands on these also. All right, now that we got our wicks, for this excess hair, just use something like this, some pomade or some fiber to kind of tuck it away. Might even have to hit it with a little bit of hairspray to let it stay down. Now comes my favorite part, tattoos. All right, we're working with a little bit of titanium white. I'm gonna get that hairline in there. Maybe there lives a little hairline right here. Now, what do you say, maybe an eagle lives right here. All right, I'm calling an audible here. I'm using an eyeliner pen for the writing. Now let's fill in that blood with a little bright red. Let's come in with a little phthalo green to finish this up. And we're ready for the teeth. For the teeth, I can't afford them yet, so I use the wrappers off of Ferrero Rocher candies, the little chocolate balls. You can use them. Somebody asked me if it was a crouton wrapper, a gum wrapper, or you can use anything. Now we ready to rock. I gotta get my earrings. I just use these little bedazzle things that got adhesive on the back. And now, baby, you an island boy. I'm gonna keep it like an island boy. Y'all be safe out there trick-or-treating, all the little ones, all the parents, God bless you. Maybe get you a little swig of grandpa's old cough medicine to help you along, but y'all be good. Hope you enjoyed it.